Hey guys, yeah, today we're going to be making a little video of how to optimize your YouTube title with just a single trick, just one trick, just by adding just one singular trick. You are boom. And we'll be using both vidIQ and also TubeBuddy. So let's dive in to see the action that speaks louder than this voice. It's very simple, but you ignore probably because we do not know. And now, please, I want to ask TubeBuddy and as well as vidIQ, what is the secret behind the introduction of this singular trick that will trigger your YouTube title to a very high score? It's a question. Please don't ask them in case you know about it. Or let them tell us. Please leave your comment below and always remember to subscribe to our channel. Please always subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button and as well as share. Always leave a good comment with any update and you will be further updated. So let's dive in to see what we're talking about. Now, on your YouTube search panel, you're going to put the title. Let's, for instance, I'm making a video now. Let's use it to experiment. Say, 4 steps to secure channel Gmail account. Then hit enter. Let's see what TubeBuddy scored to this, and let's see what vidIQ also scored to this. Now, this is TubeBuddy, vidIQ. Is vidIQ 63, TubeBuddy 100%. So this has already scored 100%, but we can as well improve it. vidIQ scoring 54%. Let's see what TubeBuddy scores. Already has given us 100%, meaning it has been well optimized by TubeBuddy. Then, for how can we now improve this? Just by a simple introduction. Introduction, what are we going to introduce? Just common things that we will normally do. Just introduce an hashtag sign. Just say an hashtag sign to two major words that you see, the two major keywords. Let's see. Boom. You can see the trick. Do you see the trick? From 54 to 70. Do you see the trick? Do you see that? Did you see this? Very easy. So please always make sure that in any video that you are putting up, in an attempt to make keyword for your video or the YouTube title, I can easily use this one now and make my video. And how do you go about that? Just use this one as the title, then prepare your other description and tags attached to this, and you make a good video. You can easily leverage on this and make a good YouTube video. So please always remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a good comment and also share our video. Thank you.